Today's Homeschool Hub program is going to be about saving our photos, organizing our photos, and showing our photos to others. If you go to this YouTube video, the link is in the video description for our recording. It is all about how we're going to be digitally backing up and storing our photos. We want to name our files so that we can recognize what it is that we've saved. Organize our photos so that we can find them later, and name them so that other people know what we've saved. If you want to follow this video, there's a link in the video recording to the YouTube video. Where could your photos be saved? A computer hard drive, an external hard drive, cloud storage, or all of the above? All of the above. What format can photos be saved as? JPEG, PNG file, HTML file, PDF file, or a doc? We've got 3 file types that they could be saved as: JPEG, PNG, PDF. Remember, in our videos, we learned that there could be more file types in the future, and there are obsolete file types from the past that we may need to update. You can watch this video on storage, safe storage of our personal photographs on the YouTube link in the description of this video. Would you like to write more about your photos in a journal, or just make an album simply displaying pictures? It looks like a lot of people would like to just make a photo album. This short video that you can find in the description of this recording is how to make a small photo or storybook of your own at home. Thanks for joining our program on preserving, displaying, and organizing our photos. I hope everyone got some information to help them make their photography a lifelong hobby.